He was present on my birthday party, or he was present at my birthday party.
Happy birthday, Wally Wilson, Whoopi Wayland Whip.
On or at. If you're facing these kind of situations where you don't know what to use, on or at, then this video is exactly for you.
Okay.
In this video, I am going to cover where to use on, at, or in.
Clean the room in the morning.
So let's talk about them one by one. If we talk about regarding time, where to use on, at, or in, then keep in mind in we use for long periods of time. For example, in a month, in a year, in the morning, in the evening. And on we use for days and dates, like on Monday, on 15th March. And at we use for specific or exact time. Kindly come to your work at 9 a.m. So at we use for exact time. So we come to know that in we use for long periods of time, on we use for days and dates, and at we use for exact time. Now if we talk about places, then that time as well, in we use for places which are enclosed, for example in the hall, in the room. And on we use when any object touches the another surface. For example, my mobile phone is on the floor, one object on the surface. In we use for enclosed areas, on we use for things which are on surface, and at we use for specific location and a specific point. For example, I'm at my home, I'm at my office. And if we talk about events and parties, that time we use at. For example, if these kind of statements are there, like I'm at a party, I'm at the conference, I'm at the meeting. So being present somewhere, that time we use at. And on we use when we have the day, like he was present on my birthday, on my birthday, birthday. So where day and dates come, that time we use on.